Alright, in this example, we are adding a second copy, and we have a copy of this title in Gillibo. And you'll see that we pulled up the record in the institution zone, and this is already linked to the network zone record. So from the institution zone, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Holdings, and then click Add New Holdings. And open the form editor. And this is going to go in the FDR collection, so I'm going to select Hightower and FDR. And the prefix for the FDR collection is FDR. I'm going to click on Save. And then I'm going to click on Add Item. And this is going to be copy number 2, so in the copy ID box we're going to enter 2. Item policy is books, material type is book. We're adding this on the 17th. And the price is $27.95. And we've got our permanent location, FDR collection, and Dorothy W. Hightower. It's not a temporary location. And we're going to go ahead and scan the barcode. Okay, so you see it created another holdings record, so now we have 2 holdings records. One is for the copy that's in the FDR collection, and one is for the copy that's in Gillibo. And you can see that here on the list of holdings page. And also if you go back to the all titles page, you can see both of the locations here. And you'll notice that they're also both linked to the network zone. In addition to adding the copy information to the item record, as we see on the physical item editor page, we did that right here. You'll also want to indicate this on the 970 field. So from the institution zone, we're going to well, first we need to select the row. So we're going to place the 970 field after 946. So you click on the row above where you want to enter the 970 and click Add Local Field. I'm going to just suggest that we enter FDR collection here in subfield B, and we could enter the copy information in whoops. We could put that in subfield D, and so we'll go ahead and save that. And you'll be able to see the local field if you're in the institution zone and you click on the title, and you'll see that it's linked to the network zone because you have the temple icon in front of your 970 field. If you look at this record in the network zone, you won't be able to see the local notes. You can only see the local note if you're in the institution zone. So that's what it looks like in the network zone versus the institution zone. Alright, I'm going to walk through some examples of linking and unlinking. So say for example that this record here becomes unlinked to the network zone. Like that. And you're in the institution zone and you know that there's a network zone record for this item, but it's been unlinked. This is how you go about linking it to the networks. Click on the holdings link, and then you're going to click on actions and view, and then click relink, and click on network, and type in the title and the creator. And whatever else information that you know. Click search. Sometimes you may have more than one record that comes up, so you'll have some, a few to choose from. You might want to make a note of the title control number so you link to the right record. So we're going to click relink, and then we're going to click back 3 times, and you'll notice that it linked the record, the holding record that we had selected to the network zone, and it put the other holding record on a new bib record. So what you have to do again is pay attention to the title control number here. Click holdings, actions, view, relink, network, and then type in the title again. And what this is going to do is put this holdings record back on the same bib record as the other item. So I'm going to click search, and then just make sure that this number that you copied is the same as the number of the record that you're going to relink to. So it is, and I'm going to click relink and click back 3 times. And you'll see that it put both of the holding records on the same bib record and linked to the network zone. And so now you've got a bib record here without any holdings attached to it. So we're just going to click Edit Record and delete it by clicking File and Delete Record, and then choose Yes. Alright, and then that's going to delete the bib record with no holdings, and it's leaving you with the linked institution record, and it has both holding records on it. And you'll see it says My Institution next to Held By. Alright, I'm going to go through how to relink an item to the network zone. So what I'm going to do is we have an item here in our institution zone that's linked to the network, and I'm going to go ahead and unlink it by clicking Edit Record, File, and Copy to Catalog. And you'd really have no reason to do that, but just as an example, so in this situation, we have this book that got unlinked somehow, and we want to link it to the network zone. So what we're going to do is, well, first of all, you want to pay attention to what the title control number is, and you can copy it to a notepad file. And we're going to click Holdings, and we're going to click Actions, View, and click Relink. And you want to make sure that for one thing, it defaults to institution, but you want to make sure that you select network because we're linking it to the network. So what we're doing here is we're searching the network for a record to link this item to. So this is why you select network here. And then just go ahead and type in the information that you know about the book, like the title and the author. And you'll see that sometimes it returns more than one result. So the book that we're looking at is the 3rd edition, and we know that we know that this is the OCM number. But if you wanted to see what record number 1 is, click View, and you'll scroll down and see that this is the 4th edition. And if you want to see what number 2 is, you can click View and see that this is the 3rd edition, which is the one we want. And this is also this title control number matches. So this is definitely the record that we want to link to. So we're going to click Relink. And I'm going to save and release the record. And then click back 3 times. You'll see that it relinked the record, but it also created a bib record that doesn't have any holdings. So we'll want to get rid of that by clicking Edit Record and File and Delete Record. And that makes that go away. And so now our record is linked again to the network zone.